Want to connect Sony Noise Cancelling WH-1000XM6 headphones to PC or laptop? Watch this. Ensure your headphones are charged. Then we need to turn them on. Press and hold the power button on the left ear cup until the indicator light turns on. After turning them on, press and hold the power button again for about 7 seconds until the indicator light starts flashing blue rapidly. On your computer, open the Settings menu and go to the Bluetooth and Devices section. In this section, turn on Bluetooth by switching the toggle to the On position. Click on Add Device and choose Bluetooth from the menu that appears. In the list of available devices, find your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones and select them to connect. Wait for the connection to be established, which will be confirmed on your computer screen. And that's it. Subscribe for more helpful guides.